Stop boxing up your summer dresses the second it gets cold. With 4 simple swaps, that same sundress works all the way through November. No new wardrobe required. Step 1. Layer a fitted turtleneck or long-sleeve bodysuit underneath. Tuck it into the dress's waistline so the shape stays intact, not bulky. Step 2. Throw on a structured jacket or cropped cardigan over the top. A denim or leather jacket cuts the breeziness and adds instant fall weight. Step 3. Swap sandals for boots and add opaque tights. Ankle boots with a low heel ground the outfit and instantly read as autumn. Step 4. Cinch a wide leather belt at the waist and drape a chunky scarf over your shoulders. These 2 pieces anchor the look and hide any leftover summer lightness. Pro tip: skip sheer, chiffon, and gauze dresses. They'll never look right layered no matter what you add. Stick to cotton, linen, or jersey knits instead. What's your go-to fall layering trick? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more. Visit Sikho.ai.